Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and this is Altcoin Disrupt. Today we'll be having a look at Internet Computer. How did Internet Computer become one of the most admirable cryptocurrencies in the world? One of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. It's in the top 10. It's actually ranked 10 in the world on CoinMarketCap. Almost overnight, this cryptocurrency rose to fame and it rose to the occasion, and it's done so pretty well. Now, obviously it started at a really high price. We can have a look right here. It started at some really high prices, as you can see, over $300, $400, some crazy numbers, guys. And it eventually went down to 146 US dollars. But never fear, because Internet Computer, the supply is actually a decent supply. It's 123 million coins in circulation, right? And it's 469 million coins in total supply. So it's actually not a crazy amount. It's not 1 billion, 5 billion, or 10 billion. This is an understandable amount that the price could actually potentially go back to $500, $400, and we might see that in the near future. But it all depends on how Internet Computer does in the upcoming future, because you got to realize that it being in the top 10 of cryptocurrencies in the world means a lot. 18 billion US dollar as a market cap. That's huge. That's not an understatement. So how did Internet Computer become a top 10 cryptocurrency overnight? That's what it literally did. And people have been losing their mind recently. So traders value Internet Computer at 630 US dollars on debut on Coinbase on Monday. Now this article is a bit older. It's from the 12th of May. And we're currently making this video on the 24th of May, 2021. So time has passed. The hype has died down a little bit, but not died down enough that it's not in the top 10 anymore, because clearly it's still in the top 10. But why? Berserk trading sentiment in the Internet Computer market, landing ICP in the list of the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, surpassing even veterans such as XRP, Dogecoin, which is huge, Cardano, huge, right? And region highs of 4th spot. That's where it was at one stage. It was at 4th spot in the world at one stage. So what did the rally really mean? The sudden arrival of ICP amongst the top ranking cryptocurrency caught many crypto traders and analysts off guard, completely off guard, right? A quick look into the token issuing authority, Internet Computer, described itself as a blockchain-based cloud computing project. So at this moment, you might be wondering, well, what is this Internet Computer? You might be super confused. Like, the name alone even makes you confused. So Internet Computer is a digital token that runs on its own proprietary protocol called Internet Computer Protocol, which is supposed to let anyone build softwares and publish content on the internet without using services from big companies like Amazon, Google, or Facebook. So the protocol, according to Decentralized founder Dominic Williams, provides a hack-proof platform, reduce costs dramatically, and is interoperable. He also said that the protocol intended to make the internet fun again by allowing people to build a new open internet and give users a better deal. So the idea is similar to other blockchain cryptocurrency that uses smart contracts or computer codes that serves as a kind of agreement between parties to exchange cryptocurrency. In other words, smart contracts. Yeah. So where did it come from, right? Where did the cryptocurrency come from? What's its origin? So Decentralized was founded in 2016 by William, a serial entrepreneur and Decentralized's chief scientist. And finally, why is Internet Computer hot? Well, in other words, why is it trending? Why is it doing so well? Why is there a huge hype? So Internet Computer boasts both a big team and big investors, a sort of seal of approval that makes it more attractive to cryptocurrency buyers. But beyond that, it's just a new toy for growing numbers of enthusiasts to play with, and it has a cool name. Well, they say it has a cool name, but in my opinion, Internet Computer is not a coolest name that I would have chosen. But then again, I wouldn't have chosen Bitcoin as a name for a cryptocurrency. So this proves that anyone could be wrong and anyone could be right in the world of cryptocurrency. It's such a strange world. But anyway, guys, let's continue. But this is about the mission. Our mission is to build the Internet Computer, thereby reinventing the internet as a computer that hosts secure software with superpowers. The Internet Computer is a new technology stack that is tamper-proof, fast, scaled to billions of users around the world, and supports a new kind of autonomous software that promises to reverse big tech's monopolizations of the internet. And there is a huge monopolization of the internet when it comes to a lot of big tech companies who basically have a dominant force in the area that they rule, and no one else can get a piece of the pie. So, the scientific breakthrough behind the internet computer. I want to take a quick look at this because I found it specifically interesting, and it might be interesting to you as well. Just a quick overview. The internet computer upgrades the public internet into a tamper-proof computing platform that enables developers, organizations, and entrepreneurs to build and deploy secure and autonomous software programs. That's interesting to keep in mind, guys. It's not just developers and organizations, but entrepreneurs as well. They include everyone. So here's what's unique. The internet computer will eventually run millions of nodes at scale. Chain key technology, one of the fundamental breakthroughs to enabling this. It consists of a set of cryptographic protocols that orchestrate the nodes that make up the internet computer. The most visible innovation of chain key technology is our internet computer as a single public key. This is a huge advantage as it allows any devices, including smartwatches and mobile phones, to verify the authenticity of artifacts from the internet computer. In contrast, this is not possible for traditional blockchain such as Ethereum, where verification requires an abundance of data for verification for just a small artifact. So, what they're basically saying is our internet computer is far more equipped to handle these issues much better than Ethereum. And the last time I checked, it's not easy to beat Ethereum in many things because Ethereum is trying to become the internet of cryptocurrency. So if internet computer is taking a slightly different approach in a different way, but they're doing it so much better. Basically, they found a flaw in Ethereum. And what they've done is that they are driving the knife deeper through. And as cruel as that sounds, it's actually pretty cool if you think about it. These cryptocurrencies are competing against each other to be the best, but in their own different way. And I love this because this is going to drive innovation. Cryptocurrency technology hasn't even scratched the surface of how useful it's going to be for the future. Cryptocurrency technology will be used in many different ways that is not just about money and finance. It'll be used in so many different ways, including the blockchain. It'll be used in different ways in terms of military, defenses, infrastructures for bank, infrastructures for security, our governance. It will change the world, and people haven't even noticed it yet. I seem to look at cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and I'm marveled by the potential that it will be used in the future. That is already being used for cybersecurity in ways by our governments, and we don't even know because they haven't told us yet. And the important thing to understand, it's already being used in many ways to keep our world safe. But we actually don't know because our governments are not telling us. The companies that we buy into are not telling us. But one day, if you look closely enough, you might just see something that will shock you, that this technology hasn't even scratched the surface of its full potential. And that's exciting to me. So the next thing I'd like to go on to, which is what I like to end on, understanding the internet computer network nervous system, neurons and ICP utility tokens. Sounds exciting. It sounds more than exciting. It sounds awesome, if I can say it in one word. So the internet computer is the world's first adaptive blockchain. Keyword right there, guys, is adaptive blockchain, right? So the internet computer network and the special nodes machine that hosts the network runs under the full control of the network's nervous system. The NNS is decentralized tokenized government system that is completely open. Anyone in the world can submit a proposal on the NNS, and if it is adopted, it is immediately executed completely automatically, allowing the network to adapt and evolve in real time. The NNS can perform tasks such as upgrading nodes machines to update a protocol or to apply security fixes. This is amazing. Tweaking economic parameters or forming new subnet blockchains to increase network capacity at any time. That's amazing. I'll be leaving a link to these articles so you guys can read about this yourself, because the information is so enlightening. It's so educational. I can't even explain it. I can only understand and interpret it. But listen, guys, Speaking of educational, this is an educational video. This video is not financial advice. It's not supposed to be financial advice. This video is simply for educational purposes and entertainment. If you guys like this video, you got to leave a like, you got to subscribe, right? So getting started on the Internet Computer's network nervous system application and wallet. There is a wallet available in case you guys didn't know, but this is even more exciting. To make it brief, it basically says that the Internet Computer extends the functionality of global internet so it can host smart contracts, run at web speed, right, without any limitations in capacity, transforming into a public compute platform that empowers developers and entrepreneurs worldwide. It's a key feature of the Internet Computer platform in the network nervous system. This is why we speak of NNS so much. It's known as the network nervous system, an open algorithmic governance system that oversees the network and token economy that makes it possible to build DeFi and dApps, right? Decentralized finance and dApp applications, decentralized applications. Open internet services and enterprise system that's capable of operating at hyperscale. The purpose of the NNS is to allow the Internet Computer Network to be governed in an open, decentralized, and secure manner. And it has a complete control over all aspects of the network. It can, for example, upgrade the protocol and software used by nodes machine that host the network. It can create new subnets to increase network capacity. It can split subnets to divide their loads. It can configure economy parameters that control how much it will be paid by users for compute capacity. It can, in extreme situations, protect the network from malicious actors, and it fulfills many other functions as well. For an in-depth review, you guys can check these links out to find more information on this particular article. So this is quite fascinating. So it's bringing me closer to the end of the video, which is really unfortunate, but I really have enjoyed learning about this and making this video. For one, I like that the supply is actually not, I like that the supply is quite moderate. And when I say moderate, I mean it's like less than a billion, which is quite moderate in my opinion, but it's still a large supply. But I'm also glad that it's doing so well and it's picked up so much attention, because this will bring attention to the technology, not just the price, not just making money. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. In my opinion, I do think Internet Computer can easily get back to $200, easily. The question is, can it get back to $300? You know, that's the real question, in my opinion. I think the last time it was at $300 was quite a while ago. It's probably, yeah, it was in the 15th of May actually. So it's not a long time ago, but obviously it's like a week or a couple of weeks, which is crazy to think. But yeah, I think it can easily get back to $200 and eventually $300. Question is, can it go back to $500 and eventually some insane heights? I think $500 is a long way ahead, but I think $400 is definitely achievable by the end of this year. $500, I'm not too sure. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with a friend who you think might enjoy this video and who's willing to learn about Internet Computer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.